written by Ruskin Bond. The story is about a boy named Ranji who had just shifted to a new place. This is a story about a boy and his name was Ranji. He had come to a new place. His father had been transferred and he had shifted to a new place. It was a hot summer day and he was walking in the forest as usual in his vest and shorts. Vest means banyan and knicker. Then one day he discovered a pool in the forest with shining water, smooth gravels at the bottom. Smooth gravels means small stones. The pool, which Ranji was familiar with in the Rajputana desert, was full of muddy water. He had come from Rajasthan and the pool there was of muddy water. It was the favorite watering hole for buffaloes and the washboard of the women. It was filthy at its best. It was dirty. The forest pool was having crystal clear water and one could see the pebbles at the bottom of the pool. Pebbles, small stones. He was seeing such a clean pool for the first time, so he jumped in to swim. Next day, when he was swimming in the same pool, he noticed a boy staring at him, staring Gurna, in a quite angry way. The boy was taller and strongly built. Boy was taller than him by Ranji and was strongly built, matlab takda tha. He was healthy. He inquired what he was doing there in his pool and he asked. He also told that he was a warrior and would not entertain such villagers. Ranji also told he was a fighter. Both tangled in an argument. Argument means बहस में वो उलझ गई. And at a point, the toleration limit was crossed and the warrior slapped hard on Ranji's face. And when they were arguing, and the toleration limit means he couldn't tolerate more, and he slapped Ranji on his face. Ranji too punched him in return, and he also gave him a punch. देन दे गॉट इन्वॉल्व इन अ फुल फाइट. दे ग्रैब थ्रोट, उन्होंने गला पकड़ लिया एकदम एक दूसरे का, टम्बल्ड, रोल्ड, गोल गोल एक दूसरे के ऊपर लड़ाई करने लगे, कर्स्ड, गालियां देने लगे, स्ट्रगल. दे फॉट इवन इन द पूल. It continued for a few minutes, but nobody won actually, and they were both equal. They were exhausted and breathing heavily. Exhausted, थक गए थे, breathing heavily, तेज तेज सांस ले रहे थे. They both decided to continue the fight the next day. They decided that they would continue the fight the next day. Ranji went home and could not explain the bruises on his body to his mother. रंजी जब घर गया तो he couldn't tell his mother why he had bruises. जो उसके हाथ में जो वो लग गए थे, निशान लग गए थे फाइट के बाद, he couldn't, जो इंजरी हो गई थी, he couldn't explain कि what has happened to him. He went to the bazaar for a lemonade and jalebis when he saw the warrior coming towards him, and he went to the market and to have lemonade and jalebis. Then he saw that the warrior was coming. They both stared at each other and the warrior left and he went away. Next day, Ranji was tired from last day's fight, but he found the warrior sitting on the other side of the pool, oiling his body. Next day, Ranji was tired after the fight, but when he went to the pool, he saw the warrior sitting on the other side of the pool and oiling his body. तेल मालिश कर रहा था body पे. The warrior asked him to come to the other side and fight. And what did the warrior say? He said, "Come to the other side and have a fight." The same challenge was given by Ranji, and Ranji also said, "Okay, come." Then again the warrior challenged him, and Ranji took a dive into the water. Dive मतलब गोता मारा उसने पानी में, and reached the other side. He went to the other side. The warrior was surprised by the way he dove. और जब जैसे उसने गोता मारा, he was surprised. Ranji offered him to teach him how to dive. और रंजी ने उसको कहा कि मैं तुझे सिखा दूंगा गोता मारना. The warrior took a failed attempt. He tried but he couldn't. Again Ranji dove and circled him inside water. और उसने फिर अपना गोता मारा और dive dove है ये dive का, and circled him inside water. The warrior again took an attempt to swim underwater but failed. और जो warrior था, other boy, he couldn't swim. Ranji told he could teach him if he liked. Ranji told him कि अगर वो चाहेगा तो मैं उसको सिखा देगा. They both sat on the rock and introduced each other for the first time. Now they were trying to be friends, and they sat on the rock and introduced means उन्होंने अपने आपस में किया कि who they are. The warrior's name was Suraj. वॉरियर का नाम क्या था? सूरज. रंजी इन्फॉर्म सूरज दैट ही वॉज अ स्ट्रॉन्गर रेसलर. रंजी ने बताया कि वो स्ट्रॉन्गर रेसलर है. सूरज विश टू बिकम द वर्ल्ड चैंपियन रेसलर. सूरज क्या चाहता था? वर्ल्ड का चैंपियन रेसलर बनना. He told Ranji that he was strong but lean and he needed to have his food with him and drink milk. और उसने रंजी को बताया कि वो स्ट्रांग है पर पतला है और उसको क्या चाहिए, उसको भोजन चाहिए उसके साथ और मिल्क. ही टोल्ड इफ रंजी टॉट हिम स्विमिंग ही वुड मेक हिम अ पहलवान. और कहते हैं अगर रंजी उसको स्विमिंग सिखा देगा तो वो उसको क्या बना देगा, पहलवान. द टू बिकेम फ्रेंड्स नाउ. In that moment were born love and understanding between them. They owned the pool jointly thereafter, or they became friends. And in that moment, उसी क्षण वो क्या हो गया, क्या हुआ, लव एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिटवीन देम. और दे ओन्ड, दोनों ने उस पूल के पर इकट्ठा ही जो दे ओन्ड द पूल मीन्स दोनों ने एक पूल को इकट्ठा शेयर किया. आफ्टर दैट, and this is the story from your for your writing skill. Okay, write it in your fair.